Am I the only one that didn't know you could fix your Ford Ranger's steering at home? First things first, check your power steering fluid. Low fluid levels are a common culprit. Pop the hood and locate the power steering reservoir. If it's low, top it off with the correct fluid. Still not working? Next, inspect the power steering belt. A loose or broken belt can cause stiffness. Look for cracks or fraying. If it's damaged, it's time for a replacement. Another issue could be the power steering pump. Listen for whining noises when you turn the wheel. If you hear any, the pump might need repair or replacement. Lastly, check the steering linkage and tie rods. Worn or damaged parts in the steering system can also make steering difficult. Look for wear and tear and replace if necessary. So, to recap, check your fluid, inspect the belt, listen to the pump, and examine the linkage. With these steps, your Ford Ranger should be steering smoothly again in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY tips.